Okay, so here's our task. This has to be reframed so that it will stay strong. Wait till you see this. Look at this. Look at that.
They don't put anything in.
There's nothing underneath it.
Maybe fall down.
All right, so this is our task. We have to remove all the wood, remove all the Trex from the top. We're going to remove all the decking from the top. It's installed with clips nicely. Need a little tiny. Once we take this first top piece off, why don't you grab us a nice hammer and pry bar for this. We got to dig the first one off before we could reach the clips. And a tape measure will figure out what size framing is on this. Basically, we're going to take all of this Trex decking off, store it safely to the side, rebuild all the framing. Probably going to end up replacing all the framing. Because look, this is in contact. That's in contact with the dirt. Oh boy. I'm afraid to walk on it. No, okay. Okay, so the demo's done. Going to rebuild the stairs. Rebuild the stairs completely. Get all new posts. Get 20. We need 20 new 2x10s. 20 new 2x10s. Right? We need 20 2x10s? What are they? 12 footers? And going to put in all new framing here and keep the existing and put the other ones a new 16 inches on center in the middle. And we're going to put new rim joist all around. Double the rim joist over there where the railing goes. And like I promised the customer, be ready to have a party with elephants on this deck. This will be able to support whatever you want. And we're going to use shovels to clear away all the dirt that's coming in contact. Yeah, I'm going to clear away all the dirt that's in contact with this. Then we'll put the Trex decking back on with good clips. Those clips were so crummy I was able to pull the boards out by hand. Didn't even need to loosen them. Okay, that's it. Good day preparation.